If WinRAR is not opening files, it usually means the archive is corrupted, not properly associated, or blocked by system settings. First, try opening the file directly inside WinRAR instead of double-clicking it from File Explorer. Check whether the file is actually a valid archive. If it was downloaded incompletely, it may not open at all. Re-download the file from the original source because incomplete downloads are a very common cause. Make sure WinRAR is properly installed and not damaged. If needed, uninstall and reinstall it. Update WinRAR to the latest version to ensure compatibility with newer archive formats. Right-click the file and try Open with WinRAR to bypass broken file associations. Move the file to a simple folder like desktop because long paths or restricted directories can prevent opening. Temporarily disable antivirus software since it may block archive access or quarantine parts of the file. Check file extensions like .rar, .zip, or .7z to ensure the file type is correct. If nothing works, the archive is likely corrupted and must be downloaded again from a trusted source.